Synapse XT. This simple 10-second habit will completely change your life. First, know that you are not broken, as the pharma industry wants you to believe. This trick works so well that it doesn't matter if you are 20 or 80 years old, if you've been having hearing problems for 7 days or 40 years, or if you suffer from any other conditions. No more headaches, dizziness, or nausea, only clear sounds. No more constantly feeling angry. You'll no longer have to struggle at work, trying to figure out what your colleagues are saying and asking "what?" all the time, or pretending that you're focused and serene when that piercing buzz is following you everywhere. It's time to regain your social life, to be appreciated once again. This special formula works incredibly well. It's 100% effective only when you use all the ingredients combined in these exact same ratios to get the best possible results. Without adequate preparation, the whole ritual is pretty much worthless. That's why a lot of supplements don't have any effect. And this is something that no one will tell you. Big Pharma's interest is to keep you on the hamster wheel, not solve your problems. We searched the whole world through our scientific connections and only worked with certified producers and verified suppliers, making sure that for our recipe we used only top quality ingredients. You're probably asking, how can I get this amazing supplement? The truth is that getting the right ingredients to make this powerful tinnitus and hearing pill is challenging. As I said, 97% of the natural ingredients on the market are either fake or filled with pesticides. Synapse XT is carefully produced only in small batches that take up to 6 months to deliver. This process is essential to assure that the quality of the product is 100% effective.
In the next few minutes, you'll find out how to get your hands on a brand new bottle. And before that, I want to explain to you how you should take Synapse XT.
First, you should take 2 capsules of Synapse XT on a daily basis for at least 30 days. All the ingredients are natural, most of them quite rare and hard to procure. And because you're watching this presentation, if you act today through this website and make the life-changing decision of investing in this extraordinary weapon, I've set up a discounted package system of 6 bottles of Synapse XT for you for only $49 a bottle, for a total of $294, which is being offered today only for as long as supplies last. Once we run out of bottles, the Buy Now buttons will not be active anymore until we make another batch again, which takes around 5 to 6 months at least. Click the 6-bottle package or any other package that you want below to secure your order. Consider this the smallest but most powerful investment that you have ever made for yourself. Click the order button below after choosing the best package for you, and you'll end up on our secure checkout page. Enter your payment details, place the order, and in less than 7 days from now, you'll get Synapse XT delivered to your home. Click the button now. It's the only way to secure your package while supplies last. You have absolutely nothing to risk because you are also covered by our 60 days, 100% healthy or money back guarantee. We are offering Synapse XT for just $69 and even cheaper if you are getting our more popular packages, just to put this amazing product into the hands of more people. Option 1. Stop following this presentation and leave this page. Do nothing. Option 2. Grab Synapse XT right now while risking nothing at all today, and you'll be surprised how well it works. Just click below to make your choice. Enter your payment details and place the order now. We'll immediately ship your bottles directly to your home.